I have to ask, have you been working hard on all your HubSpot certifications? Do you have the marketing, the inbound, the sales, the growth-driven design? Well, you get the idea. Do you got those certs? Let's be honest, no matter what certifications you have worked on and have received, you need to let the inbound and marketing world know about your success. And of course, there's no better place to do that. Well, you guessed it, LinkedIn. In this Sprocket Talk HubSpot Academy LinkedIn tutorial, I'm going to share the steps you need to take to show off those shiny new HubSpot Academy certs. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Hey, make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's get into the good stuff. So once you're logged into your HubSpot portal, we can go ahead and go over to this drop down and you're going to see that we have HubSpot Academy. So we'll click on HubSpot Academy. And then depending on what certification you want to actually add to your LinkedIn profile, I find the easiest way is just to go to My Team and go to your person and then select the actual certification that you want. So here is HubSpot Marketing Software. We'll go ahead and click on that. And then if you've completed it and done all the hard work, and of course you have because you're trying to add it to your LinkedIn profile so you can share with the inbound and marketing world or sales world or service world that you mean business, you're going to get to this and it's going to say view your certification. Once you click on that, you're going to see that you have this certification here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is download the certificate. So you click on that. It's going to open up a new tab and you can right click this and save image as. Now I've gone ahead and already done that, so we'll just cancel that out and come back into step 2. Step 2 is actually clicking the add to LinkedIn. Now one thing I will let you know is that these certifications have been done through my Impulse Creative email, but my email for LinkedIn is my personal email. Doesn't matter. I can still click this add to LinkedIn. LinkedIn, if I'm logged in, is going to open, and then you're going to see that I can add the license or certifications. Now we can just simply follow the rest of the rules that come through here. So by a process of time, let's go ahead and fill this in. Here we're going to look for HubSpot Academy. This credential does not expire. This one actually does expire after a certain amount of time. So we'll go ahead and get the issue date. November 10th, 2019, and expiration date you can see is November 9th, 2020. The credential ID you can leave blank, but the credential URL you can come back to this PNG. You can copy this URL and you can paste it into here and then hit save or save and add another. I'll go ahead and hit save. And bada boom, bada bing, it is there. If we scroll down to the licenses and certifications, we can hit show more. And we're going to see here HubSpot Marketing Software Certification November 2019 expires on 2020. And if you've been adding your certifications along the way, they will still be there. So if you're adding newer versions, you can probably remove the old versions. And you'll see that we even have a new HubSpot Academy cap icon that shows up next to the new ones. So what's next? Rinse and repeat. In other words, get more certs and then add them to LinkedIn. Get even more certs and add them to LinkedIn. Become the HubSpot and inbound ninja, master, guru, rock star. And why would you want to do that? Because of one of life's sayings that I'm a firm believer is the more you learn, the more you earn. And as being a curious George, get it? You know that I think we should always be learning. And let's face it, there's no better place for that learning than HubSpot Academy or, well, and SprocketTalk.com, of course. Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications and so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.